Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the headlines. Pawar meets state executive, no action on Mickey at least for now. Pawar speaks in favor of English as medium, tells state president to strengthen party's base all over Goa. Concrete solution seems distant possibility in medium of instruction meeting at Delhi. Congress fails to take Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch on board. Today, beat the heat at Pune. Get a hug of cool water and kiss of nature. NRI Commission plans to form a committee to look into cheating cases by recruiting agents. 8 Goan women were cheated in Albania. Appeal to people to remain vigilant about unregistered agents. Coach Peter Wallis and Captain Nicholas Colasso admit lack of experience but certainly believe in talent in Goan Santosh Trophy team. And Iqbal 11 beat Union Club of Madgaon in 2020 cricket. Now the news in detail. NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar met state party executive on Tuesday evening. He has said that action will not be taken against Mickey, at least for now. Pawar has spoken in favor of English as medium of instruction at primary level. He has also asked Surendra Sirsa to form a committee and tour all over Goa to strengthen the base of the party.
What about Mickey Kashyap?
No, we have not taken any issue. Unfortunately, there is some court decision, and court has taken harsh decision. So unless and until anybody, it's not question of he alone, anybody who is working in the party, whether it is Goa or whether it is Maharashtra or whether it is any other state, and facing this type of case, one day he has to see that he will be free from this type of decision. He has to go for appeal, and appeal decision will be finally helpful for party also to take appropriate action. So till that day, we have kept that decision in abeyance.
Mr. Pawar, Mickey again and again saying that he is going to form a new party. Are you going to take any disciplinary action in this?
It's a simple thing that everybody knows, at least we know each other well. That's why suppose certain statements have been made by somebody, we don't want to react on that. However, in democracy, everybody got his own right. And we are not the people who will stop anybody from his basic democratic rights. But just because somebody has made certain sections, we will not take extreme standards. Here, there is no question about the Marathi or Konkani. Nobody is opposing that. But there are sizable sections in the society who are coming from poor strata and would like to get education in English. He should also get his opportunity and government should be sympathetic to them. But here we are not taking a definite stand here because tomorrow and day after tomorrow, Government of India has called the state leadership. I think Chief Minister must have gone, or he will go. That is my impression, and they are going to discuss and resolve that issue. So, Nationalist Congress Party don't want to create any obstruction of the process of decision making by Government of India and Goan government. We will wait outcome of that, and then we will take a final view.
Our senior reporter Rakesh Kanulkar with video journalist Sunny Narvekar for Prudent Media.
A concrete solution seems a distant possibility in medium of instruction meeting at Delhi. Congress has failed to take Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch on board. The Manch is not invited for the meeting in Delhi. The question is, will government come out with an amicable solution by only taking force into confidence?
Government has called a meeting at Delhi on Wednesday to discuss and come out with an amicable solution over the medium of instruction issue. But a concrete solution seems difficult. President of Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch Shashikala Kakotkar says that Manch will not attend this meet as government has not invited them for the meeting.
दोन्ही बाजूच्या लोकांना आम्ही बोलावणार म्हणून काँग्रेसचे ते हे जे आहेत आमदार वगैरे ते जातीलच पण त्यावेळेला त्यांनी काय आम्हाला अजून पण त्यांचं फोनही नाही आला किंवा त्यांनी आम्हाला पत्रक लेखी काही पाठवलं नव्हतं तरीसुद्धा त्यांनी पाठवलं असतं नसतं तरी आम्ही काही तिथं गेलो नसतं हा आमचा स्टँड होता.
We spoke with Chief Minister Digambar Kamath and he said that this meeting is called by Jagmeet Singh Brar and as such there is no need for the government to invite anyone for the meeting. However, GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar informed us that he had called some of the members of the Manch over the phone and formal invitation is not sent to any party.
सर तुम्ही फोन सांगलेले तर तिंका इन्व्हिटेशन हॅलो.
According to the sources, Manch member, Kokni Academy president and Congress spokesperson and Shivdas has moved to Delhi for the meeting. He is accompanied by Father Mauzin Atayed. This meeting is scheduled at 10:30 on Wednesday morning, but no one will represent Manch in the meeting. Congress is trying for amicable solution. Questions are raised on the absence of Manch in the meeting. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Nature can be a very unforgiving place, so you need some gusto and enthusiasm to help you enjoy with most of the things nature can throw at you. One such place is at Kulai. The cool water in Kulai is soothing and healthy, which directly comes down from the Dudhsagar waterfall. This place is more cooling due to the dense forest. People from different places in Goa come to enjoy the beauty of nature at Kulai. Today, in our series Beat the Heat, watch the amazing waters at Kulai.
How you feeling? Hot, hot, hot. How you feeling? Hot, hot, hot.
दुधसागराचे जे न्हंय व्हांवता ती ह्या कुळी गांवांच्यान व्हांवता आनी ह्या कुळी गांवां येवपा सांग्या वयल्यान सुमारे 40 ते 45 किलोमिटर अंतर गाठून हांगा कुळी गांवां पावतात आनी हांगा बरे दिसान दीस एक 100,000 लोक हांगा न्हांवपाक गेलेले आसा आनी हांगा अशी आजकालची गरमी पळयल्यार इतली गरमी जालेली आसा की लोकांक थंडसाण एक जाय थंडसाण घेवपा लागून लोक पयलीं एक दर्याचेर वयताले थोडे लोकांनी कॅनलान न्हाताले पूण हांगा तर अशी जालां आतां ही न्हंय इतली फेमस जाल्या दुधसागरा उदकाची की लोक सगळे हांगाच न्हांवपा येतात
आमी सगळे येयला न्हांवपा हे कुळे न्हंयचेर हांगा बरें थंड उदक आसा आनी बरें थंड दिसता हांगा न्हांवले म्हणटकीर अशें न्हांवपाक भरपूर कडेन वयता पूण अशें न्हांवपाक खंयच मेळना अशें थंडसाण हांगा कुळ्यान न्हंयचेर मेळटा सगळ्यांनी भरपूर लोक हांगा येता आनी आमी लोक भरपूर खूब पयसले हांगा न्हांवपा येता.
बेस्ट फॉर हेल्थ हय ठावसान येता मरे संडे मात जातले थंय स्पॉट आसा न्ही सद्याक इतलो
गरमी जाता ताका भरपूर अंदू तर खूबच गरमी आसा ताका लागून आमी कुळी न्हंयचेर न्हांवपा आयल्या फॅमिली आज हांगा आयल्या सगळीं न्हातात थंय पयस आनी हांगा थंड उदक आशिल्ल्या कारणान बरी जिवाक थंडसाण मेळटा गरमी खूब वाडल्या. सांग्या वयल्यान मयूर नायक स्टुडंट मिडिया खातीर.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.